Layer the pasta, sauce, and cheese directly onto a heavy-duty foil.
Okay, so pasta sheet goes in, then the sauce, little cheese, pasta sauce, cheese.
And wrap it tightly so no water can get inside.
All right, well, that's as tight as it's gonna get.
Then place the packet on the bottom rack of the dishwasher.
I better not have to buy a new dishwasher after this.
And start the normal wash cycle, choosing the sanitize settings for extra heat. As the dishwasher runs, the hot water and steam heat up the foil, which slowly cooks the lasagna inside. And once the cycle finishes,
oh, it smells like lasagna.
You should end up with a dishwasher lasagna that's ready to eat.
Oh, hey, yo! I mean, it's not bad. It's not good, but I mean, it is cooked.